Lucky Miner Lv03 is a mini, low-cost, secure, and portable cryptocurrency miner. Plug the Lv03 into a USB cradle for power. PC, laptop, USB charging cradle, mobile, charger. After power on, wait 3 to 5 seconds. The screen prompts Use Wi-Fi for setup. Open the WLAN list of your mobile phone or computer Wi-Fi device. Connect to Lv03 Wi-Fi. Select Lucky Miner AP. Enter the device password. Mine your coins. Log in to Lucky Miner AP and go to Wi-Fi Manager. Wait 30 seconds. Enter the parameter setting interface. After the configuration information is completed, the system will restart automatically. An interface after successful configuration is as follows. To reset the device, there is a button on the back of the device. Press and hold for 6 seconds to release. The device is reset, and then press above to reconfigure. The types of supported virtual currencies and corresponding mining pools can be found at https://miningpoolstats.stream. Using mobile phone hotspot, make mining everywhere as you like. Using USB hub, lining up and opening a new world of mining.